guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and this is the unboxing of Gramma in a box. This is a monthly subscription box to make, I know my address is on here, candies and cookies, and decorate cookies. So this was created by a grandmother who wanted to spend time with her grandchildren but lived far away, and so she invented this box that you send through the mail with all you need. It does have a perishable date here. So you know when it's still good and all that, and it does arrive really quickly. She sent this like 2 days ago. I was like, wow. So $20 per box. You can do a one-time box, or you can subscribe and get your first box for just $10. No code necessary, free US shipping. Each box gives you 15 to 20 finished items per month. So you're going to decorate cookies and have 2 candy crafts. Their theme boxes are super cute. This is the October, so you can guess what this one's going to be all about. So here we have it right here. And I am doing another giveaway if you're interested. We had such a hard time picking a winner last time. I kept messaging, hey, you won. So we're going to do a real raffle copter. Like, you know, where you enter and I have your email and all your information so I can get a hold of you. I will link, that'll be in my blog. I always put those in my blogs because you can't do that on YouTube. So I'll link to that so you can check that out if you're interested. All right, so this is the October Halloween theme treats. We're gonna look at these first. So first project is Oreo spiders. My kids will love this. And do you know what I do with this box? I know I'm kind of ranting here. I save it for when we have, like, our friends, like couple friends come over with their kids, and I let the kids make these for dessert, and then I don't have to worry about making a dessert. Isn't that wonderful? So this is always fun for that, for us. I find that really fun, and then all the kids get something, and they also get to make something, and that's like a memory. You know, maybe they'll like me more. Maybe I'll be their favorite auntie. Whatever. All right, second project, Monster Bark. So this looks like something my kids would eat. And then finally, we're going to make Halloween cookies. So there is that. I'm going to get all the ingredients out. There's a little card in here. Our icing for the month, we have 3 tubes. 2 white, 1 orange. Our cookies are in the shapes of ghosts. And, oh, I guess that one is, I don't know what it is. But there's those. And then here's more cookies. These are, I guess, apples or pumpkins? Oh, pumpkin stuff. All right. Then we have some chocolate, melting chocolate. Everything's always labeled. Then we have some Oreo cookies. And everything is like vacuum sealed, which is really cute. Then we have some, this looks like Rice Krispies, possibly. And then we have some gummy worms. Oh, yikes. Some dark, like chocolate colored looking jimmies. Oh, I'm missing my mail. Some pretzel rods. Some orange, like shimmery glitter sugar. I don't know what the real name of this is called, so that's what I call it. Little Bones candies. And these fall colored sprinkles. And then she always sends these papers, like parchment paper, to put your things on to dry so that they don't stick. And that is everything that we received. It's everything you need. Maybe you need a spoon or something like that, but other than, you don't need to buy any other ingredients. You have everything you need here to create what she sends. And I love that. It's just so easy. And your first box for $10. Tell me about that. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I'll link to that. I'll link to my blog. I will also link to Gramma in a Box if you just want to sign up. That's fine too. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.